Welcome to a nice ASMR Reiki session as I demonstrate a practice I do on me normally, as I would do it on you, but as I do it on me, it's a little bit more formal in the sense of I know what to do with me. So as I direct, I breathe in and I breathe out. I love doing Self Reiki sessions in the morning and at night, specifically before I go to work, after work, whether I work or not. It's just a great way to alleviate stress, to manage my nervous system, to keep me at balance and at bay, and to ground me when I need it, and to give me a nice high if I need it. It's a nice supplement for weed. You know what I mean? Because you could brush up, you could brush down, but it's all about using the life force energy within your hands, that chi, and breaking down and letting loose those blockages, the energy within our bodies that are stagnant, that's unstable, that's keeping us stuck. I use the symbol, I shield myself as I invite the ancestors in. And I start at my crown because for the past 2 weeks I've been having a lot of energy just being aimed towards my crown, and not just from other people, but from old patterns, old habits, old thought forms, old versions of myself that's still trying to latch on and remain comfort and try to find this old comfort spaces within me. And these Reiki sessions that I've been doing consistently throughout the week has been helping not just relieve and transmute the pain, but addressing it as it comes, just allowing the feeling to be felt and then letting it go. And Reiki reminds me how important it is to feel and how important it is to let that feeling go once you're done feeling it, and how it is let go when you're done feeling it. There's a lot of times where I've done Reiki in areas where I've had pain, and after a few hours or instantaneously or even the next day, the pain was gone. And that's because I had energy stored in that space, whether it was through stress, whether it was me not speaking up, whether it was me not doing that thing I was supposed to do, the guilt of resting, whatever it was, it held in that area. And until I decided to feel it, address it, and let it go, let it leave my body, it didn't leave my body, but a good old Reiki session can handle that. And right now I'm just brushing. As you can see, it's very tense, especially when I was brushing off the head. Very intense. I had a lot of energy being sent in that space, and it was just nice to let all that go. Just let it go. Let it run through my body. Feel it. See where the target is. Address that and let it go. Feel, address, let it go. Breathe, brush, shake, let it go. Breathe, brush, shake, let it go. And I love having the frequencies in the back because it reminds you to stay present. Just hearing the nice sounds of the flutes, of the chimes, of the maracas, of all the beautiful instruments, and how it's here and present with you as you flow this energy through your body. I love the art of transmuting because it reminds you that you do not have to not just stay stuck in an energy or a thought, but in a space, in a place. You are free to move. You are free to let go. You are free to change. And the life force energy that Reiki demonstrates is a good reminder of letting go, is a good reminder of addressing those points that don't necessarily get addressed because we work so much, and then it leads to the tension, not just in our body, but mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and all that gets caught up in our body because all of it comes together. All of it is one. We are mind, body, spirit. All of that is one. And when you don't take care of mind, body, and spirit, it shows through your mind, body, and spirit. And a lot of the times we don't realize how important just having that moment to yourself and to address your body To address your mind and to address your spirit is addressing your life and propelling it forward. When I do the Reiki sessions, I usually brush down, to get more grounded, to get more stable in reality. And then if I brush up, it's to, a nice little high, like I said before. But right here, I'm closing it out, showing gratitude to the ancestors, doing a nice little brush off of whatever remaining energies, letting that go down. I usually don't come up again. I just brush down and keep going down. As I do it, I do a little let go prayer, the symbol, and there it is. And as you come to me within your Reiki session, it'll be a little longer, but let me tell you, the experience is immaculate and it'll be more than what you're paying for. Trust me, whenever I do these, I feel 10 times better the next day. Sometimes I forgot I did this session. And I just feel like I'm on cloud 9. So book a session with me today, in person or long distance. I'm here for you. Thanks for checking in.